Isn't the digital age amazing? I mean, online shopping, cloud storage, it's like having the world at your fingertips. But hey, here's something to think about. While you're enjoying all these cool tech perks, did you know that our personal info and online activities are being tracked? Yes, cybercrime is a major threat to businesses, big or small. CEOs, executives, even salespeople, everyone needs to be aware. So I have a basic question. Would you rather A, risk all your customer data, or B, spend your money and time on cybersecurity? Most of us would probably go with the second option. But hold up, it's not as simple as it sounds. According to Forbes, cybercrime damages are gonna hit a whopping 10.5 trillion USD annually by next year, 2025. That's like a 15% bump every single year. And guess what? California is leading the pack in cybercrime, with Texas and Florida not far behind. Scary stuff, huh? But don't sweat it. We've got your back. Hey there, I'm Arvind Sareen, Chairman and CEO of Copper Digital. We help businesses transform digitally with a legacy of over 14 years. In the last 5 years, I've seen shocking incidents of cyber attacks in the US. For example, the Colonial Pipeline attack in 2021. This massive pipeline fueling the entire East Coast got shut down by a cyber attack. Imagine waking up to empty gas stations, people freaking out, and prices skyrocketing. This attack by a group called DarkSide was a real wake-up call for US government, showing just how vulnerable our infrastructure can be. And just a few weeks back, a major hospital in Florida was crippled by ransomware, delaying critical surgeries, millions lost, patient safety at risk. From water treatment plants, power grids, hospitals, bakeries are the primary target. But yes, it also happens in small businesses as well. Picture this, Smith's Cake, this cute little bakery has the world's scrumptious treats. One day, bam, ransomware attack hits them like a ton of bricks. Sales customer data, everything's locked up tight. It was a hacker's dream come true. Poor guys didn't stand a chance without proper cybersecurity measures in place. Panic sets in as employees realize they can't access any data, receipts, customer information, even the shift schedules. A ransom message pops up on every screen. Your data is encrypted. Pay us $50,000 in Bitcoin within 48 hours or it's gone forever. This is a nightmare scenario. But for businesses without proper cybersecurity, it's becoming increasingly common. This is a ransomware attack, and it's happening again and again. The next big question, is your business prepared for such cyber attack? Reason number one, protect your competitive advantage. Your business thrives on its intellectual property, right? Like the trade secrets, marketing strategies, customer data, and more. But a successful cyber attack can expose this sensitive information and your competitors can get a significant edge. Cybercrime can significantly cripple businesses' growth and innovation. Investing in strong cybersecurity measures like encryption and access control is like putting a vault around intellectual property. It makes your company secure and keeps your competitive advantage intact. Do not worry, it's applicable for all small and medium-sized businesses. Now, reason two, build customer trust and loyalty. So what I'm saying is that don't be like Smith's Cake. Your customers trust you with their data and personal information. A data breach holds the power to destroy that trust. And not just this, it can damage your reputation, lead to lawsuits, and drive customers away. So always prioritize cybersecurity and show commitment to data protection. So what will you do to secure your business data and transactions, solutions, and latest trends? We understand that building strong cybersecurity defenses doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here at Copper Digital, we know the latest trends to help you, even for small and mid-sized businesses. So let's dive into it. Number one, use AI and machine learning for cybersecurity. Back your defenses. Businesses are turning to AI and machine learning to fight back. Imagine AI spotting suspicious activity in real time, or machine learning from the past attacks to predict future threats. This tech can analyze massive data sets, identify weaknesses, and even personalize security measures. Number two, use of quantum computers against cyber attack. AI and machine learning are like your super-powered security guards, but there's a new twist on the horizon. Quantum computers. These mind-blowing machines, while still under development, could crack today's encryption, making current defenses vulnerable. But don't panic. Businesses globally are already exploring post-quantum cryptography, a new kind of code that even these supercomputers can't break. With a proactive approach and the latest tech on your side, we can stay ahead of cyber threats, even in the age of quantum computing. Number three, zero trust security AI. Quantum computers are good enough for mid and small scale businesses, But now let's talk about another hot topic: zero trust security. Forget the old idea of a secure internal network. Zero trust says trust no one, everyone, and everything. Even employment company needs to be verified constantly before assessing anything. Number 4, identity and access management, IAM. And to make things even tougher, Zero Trust integrates identity and access management. IAM enforces super granular access controls, making sure only the right people have access to the right stuff at the right time. It's like having a layered InfoSec system, making it super hard for the attackers to breach. Number 5, use of blockchain in cybersecurity. These are popular methods for centralized systems. I think the unexplored area is the use of blockchain in cybersecurity. With the blockchain ecosystem, you can run your business with a decentralized server. It can be private or hybrid. It creates a tamper-proof record of everything, making data breaches a real headache for attackers. Number 6, IoT security for business. But attackers can use your smart devices too. You know those fancy coffee machines and smart printers in the office? Super convenient, right? These can be tiny little backdoors hackers could use to sneak into your whole network. Well, the good news is, with some smart IoT security practices, businesses can keep your devices safe and still enjoy the cool perks. Great. For example, you can keep those devices on a separate network and make sure that everyone knows how to spot suspicious activity. Basically, invest in a strong defense so your office stays secure. Number 7, cloud security for business secured. Secured your office gadgets with strong IoT security? Great. Now let's talk about that mountain of data that you moved to the cloud. Super convenient, but also a potential target for hackers, right? Think of it like this: the cloud is amazing, but it's like storing your stuff in fancy storage unit. It's like a digital fortress with encryption, access controls, and constant monitoring. By investing in strong cloud security, you get all the benefits of cloud: flexibility, scalability, but with the peace of mind. These are just 7 trending InfoSec measures. Indeed, there are much more to explore. Invest in cybersecurity to build a fortress around your business. Remember, it's an ongoing process. Stay vigilant and adapt to stay ahead of cyber threats in 2024. If you have any questions about securing your business, leave a comment below. If you feel this video is informative and valuable for your time, hit the like button and do not hesitate to share it on social media platforms so that YouTube shows this video to more viewers and you can save your friends and colleagues from cyber threats.